simple, trendy dress that you can make in just 2 hours. Very neat. I'm going to share with you a secret to how I made the neck to look this clean and neat. Look, this is the front and this is the back. Beautiful and classy for a toddler. Let's get in. This dress, I already folded my fabric into two. So this is what I have done now. And the next thing, I'm going to fold like this. The baby's shoulder is 8 inches. So the baby's shoulder is 8. And because I already folded 4, so I'm going to divide into 2. So 8 into 2 is 4. So I make sure that here is up to 4. So as you can see, it's only 3.5. I extend it to make sure it's 4. The reason I measured here is to make sure that they are same. So here is 4. And I'll leave half an inch for seam allowance. And here I will just make the neck. So here is going to be the front and the back, and I'm going to cut here. So here the neck is 1.5. By the time I finish sewing, it's going to be 2 inches. So I'm leaving it at 1.5. And here I'm going to slant it like this. Then here I'm going to make it 2 inches deep for the front and the back. I'll make it 2.5 for the front and at the back. And the length of the dress is 25 inches because it's going to be a knee length for a baby. The armhole is going to be to 6. The half length is 11. This is 6. Half length is 11. And the full length is 25 with 1 inch hemming allowance. So here, to cut off the full length, I'm going to extend the 26 rounds. Her waistline is 28, and I know that 28 divided by 4 is 7. So here, I'm going to make it 7 inches. Plus half inch seam sewing allowance. Here I make sure it's same. 7, half an inch. So here the shoulder, I'm going to cut like this. This is the armhole. And here it goes this way. So now when I open it up, then to line the necks, this is how you can do it. You cut out like this. Remember the neck is 2, so I'm going to cut out this and make it into 2 pieces. And that is it. So you're going to sew from front. So I know this is the back. Also here and do that there as well, and later I will overlock the interface and then join them together on the shoulder. This is my secret to making the neck so relaxed. So I first of all cut this part to release the tension around the neck area. Iron it and make sure it's well relaxed. You can either use your hand with the hand needle to hem the neck, but after ironing and making sure that it's well relaxed, I'll use my bundle web now, and this is it. So I place it underneath. Taking it all round. So make sure you are putting it underneath the place you cut. So you see, the neck is relaxed now, and when you turn it in front, it's looking flawless and very, very neat. So the way I hem the neck is the way I'm going to hem the sleeves. After joining the shoulders and hemming the sleeves, this is what we have got now. I want to add a stone. Trying to this is the center. So this is like a heart shape. A piece of fabric, you soak it in water and then place it gently on your stone. Sorry, this is a bit. And make sure your iron is getting warmed up. for like 10 seconds. And you place the rest and repeat the process. And that is it. So I'm going to go ahead and join the sides together now.